This is Project Highlands, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Highlands is painted in full gloss Chiltern white with Arles blue accents all around. Highlands sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondale retro wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a stunning 6-point roll cage finished in matching Arles blue, a classic front bumper with daytime running lights, and E.C.D custom metal steering guard. Inside, Highlands features an Evander wood steering wheel with nostalgia VT gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats, with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the cargo area. Each seat is finished in a diamond, Garrett, Chatham navy and Cadence spice leather, stitched together in amber. Highlands is powered by a 450 horsepower GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern touches such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay and access to USB ports throughout.